Hey everyone, welcome to iOS Hacker. Is your iPhone randomly restarting without warning? Whether it happens while using apps, charging, or even when it's idle, this issue can be really frustrating. But don't worry, in this guide, I will show you exactly how to fix it step by step. The first thing you should check is your iPhone's battery health. A degraded battery is one of the most common reasons why an iPhone randomly restarts. To check it, open the Settings app, tap on Battery, and then tap on Battery Health. Check your maximum capacity. If it's below 80%, your battery needs a replacement. Weak batteries can cause unexpected shutdowns and restarts. Next, you should update your iOS to the latest version. Software bugs can trigger random restarts. To update your device, open the Settings app, tap on General, and then tap on Software Update. Install any available updates. Apple often fixes system stability issues with updates. To prevent random restarting on your iPhone, it is a good idea to force restart it. Doing so clears temporary glitches. To force restart your device, quickly press and release the volume up button, then volume down button, and press and hold the side button until the Apple logo appears. This can resolve minor system crashes and prevent your iPhone from randomly restarting. Low storage can also cause system instability and issues like iPhone randomly restarting. Check your iPhone's available disk storage by going to Settings, General, iPhone Storage. Delete unused apps or files if storage is full. If the problem persists, reset all settings on your iPhone. This can fix misconfigured settings without deleting your data. To do this, open the Settings app, tap on General, scroll down and tap on Transfer or Reset iPhone, then tap on Reset, and finally select Reset All Settings. This resets Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, and system settings. Some apps may crash your system and cause iPhone restarts. You can resolve this issue by removing problematic apps from your device. Think about when the issue started, delete recently installed or suspicious apps, and especially remove the apps that have not been updated to support the latest version of iOS. Overheating can also force restart your iPhone, so check for overheating on your device. Avoid using your phone while charging, remove thick cases, and keep your iPhone in a cool environment. iPhones may restart automatically to protect internal components. Keep your iPhone in a cool environment and see if random restarts stop. Faulty accessories such as charging cable, charger, and headphones can cause power interruptions. Use original or certified chargers and avoid using damaged cables to charge your device. Power issues can trigger restarts, so avoid using damaged accessories. If nothing has worked so far, you should back up your iPhone and restore iOS on it. You can do this by going to Settings, tapping on General, tapping on Transfer or Reset iPhone, and choosing Erase all content and settings. Remember, this will delete all your data, so make sure to back up your iPhone before performing these steps. A link to complete guide on how to restore your iPhone and install fresh copy of iOS on your device is given in the description of this video. Check for hardware issues as well. If the problem still continues after restoring, it could be a faulty battery or internal component. Contact Apple support or visit an authorized service center. So these are the best ways to fix an iPhone that keeps restarting randomly. In most cases, updating iOS or resetting settings will solve the issue quickly. If this guide helped you out, make sure to like, subscribe and check out the channel for more iPhone tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching.